This is Raspberry Pi Pico, and in this video I will show you what you can do when it doesn't work. Stay with me and see you later. First thing which you should do, of course, when you have Raspberry Pi Pico, especially this clone version from AliExpress, is check what will happen when you plug it in your PC. As you can see here, it opened Raspberry Pi Pico as a new drive on my PC, and as you can see there is. So that means in this particular case that Raspberry Pi always booting in file mode, so it's refusing to boot in normal mode, which could be caused by firmware. If it happens, sorry for shaking, I need to build new stand for my microscope. If it happens that it does not boot at all or whatever, you can always check if there is power supply. Does power pins working properly? Connect ground to anywhere. I will use ground from USB port and check for power. Actually, it's very this is power pin on USB. As you see, 5 volt is there. As well here you have 5 volt, and you can recognize this pin for power. Easy. Ground and plus power will be double pins. As you can see here, here is ground. Second step you should do is to plug it back as now, but keep pressing white button. So my particularly working same as without keeping press, but sometimes it will help you boot in normal mode. 2.6 volts here, 3.3 volts here. That is actually good, and it means this firmware chip have a correct power supply. Here we have a 20 MHz clock signal, and this clock signal should be present. This is Zoyi ZT703. I will boot it in oscilloscope mode, as you can see. I just wanna see if I have anything here. There is nothing, really nothing. Sorry for shaking. I need to build a more stable stand for this microscope. Microscope camera is very nice. As you see, it have nice resolution and high FPS, but oscilloscope does not detecting anything here. Let me see other side. Here, nothing on oscilloscope, really. So clock signal does not exist at all. What we can do, try to reflow a little this chip, maybe. So 300 degrees Celsius flux mandatory. This flux is original Ammeter NC. Okay, that would be all. And sadly, we now see what's the reason this Raspberry Pi Pico doesn't work. You see popcorn effect on firmware chip or bubble. It happens because of chip collected a lot of moisture inside it on some crack around leg or whatever that caused chip malfunction, and it caused now as you see bubble on chip. So we know what's the reason this board doesn't work, and you've seen a few steps you can do on your own to diagnose why your board doesn't work. That would be all from me in this video, and thank you for watching. See you very soon with next video.